If you're considering Tenantwise for your property management needs, there are a few key things you should know before making the purchase. Tenantwise offers a range of features, but is it the right solution for you? In this video, we'll walk you through the most important things to consider and compare it with other property management software options. Stay tuned until the end to get our honest recommendation. First, Tenantwise offers an all-in-one platform for managing your properties, tenants, and maintenance. It combines online rent collection, leasing, and automated reminders. This is a big plus for landlords who want everything in one place. But some competitors like Buildium and Appfolio may have more advanced features like customizable reporting or even direct integrations with accounting tools. Next thing, Tenantwise provides a fairly straightforward user interface. It's easy to set up and navigate, which makes it a solid choice for property managers who don't want a steep learning curve. However, if you're looking for more powerful customization options or a more polished experience, platforms like Propertyware might be better, though they come with higher price tags. The third thing to keep in mind is their tenant communication tools. Tenantwise includes messaging features and maintenance request tracking, which makes it easy to stay connected. Still, some competitors like Rentec Direct offer more in-depth communication solutions, including email templates, SMS alerts, and more. The fourth thing you should know is about reporting. Tenantwise does offer basic reports, but if you need advanced analytics, you might find it lacking. Platforms like Buildium and Appfolio provide more comprehensive reports, making it easier to track your financials, occupancy rates, and other critical data. The fifth thing, Tenantwise has a mobile app, allowing both property managers and tenants to stay on top of things on the go. However, some users report that the mobile app can feel less polished compared to those of competitors like Appfolio, which offers a more refined experience. Next up, Tenantwise provides solid customer support, with email and phone options available. Still, it may not have the 24/7 support that some larger companies like Appfolio or Rentec Direct can offer, which is something to consider if your operations are non-stop. The seventh thing to note is that Tenantwise has transparent pricing. You won't be blindsided by hidden fees, unlike some competitors that might charge extra for certain features, like additional units or users. This straightforward pricing structure is beneficial for small to mid-sized property managers who want clear costs. The eighth thing to consider is integrations. Tenantwise offers a few integrations, but not nearly as many as larger platforms like Appfolio, which integrates with accounting software, marketing platforms, and more. Depending on your needs, this could be a deal breaker. The ninth thing is about scalability. Tenantwise works well for smaller property managers, but if you're growing rapidly or managing a larger portfolio, you might hit limitations. Competitors like Buildium are better equipped to handle the scalability needs of large portfolios. The 10th thing to consider is the mobile experience for tenants. Tenantwise allows tenants to pay rent, submit maintenance requests, and review their leases via mobile. It's useful, but it's not as feature-rich as some of the more established players in the market. The 11th thing is the ease of setting up automation. Tenantwise automates rent collection and reminders, which is great for landlords who don't want to micromanage. But if you want more automation features, like lease renewals or eviction notices, some alternatives offer more robust automation tools. And lastly, Tenantwise is a great option for landlords who are looking for a simple, no-frills property management tool that covers the basics. It's ideal for small to medium-sized portfolios, but if you want a more complete solution with additional features like advanced reporting or more integrations, we recommend checking out our preferred solution that you can try for free. Tenantwise is a solid choice, but as with any software, it's important to choose one that fits your needs.